Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily purchase Marriott Bonvoy points. So all you have to do is head over to Marriott.com and make sure that you're logged into your account. Next, from the web page, just scroll down until you get in this section, and all you have to do is click on Earn Points, and from here, just click on Manage Points. Next is just scroll down, and from here you can easily access and see buy points section, and all you have to do is click on buy points. You will then be redirected to this page where you can buy points, and you can also see here if you are eligible to purchase points. And as you can see here, for you to be eligible to purchase points, you're going to need to be a member for a minimum of 30 days. After 30 days, you can just check back to this if you are already eligible, and from there you can buy your points. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Now we'll see you again on the next one. Bye!